Hello everyone, and welcome back to Property Cozy. Today's viewing is a little different than our usual property adventure. Today, we will be looking at developmental land in Jamaica, allowing you to build and create anything you would like on the land that you own. So without further ado, let's get right into the show. This beautiful untapped land here in Jacks Road Hill in St. Andrews, Kingston, Jamaica, offers a beautiful scenic view of the town and of the land below. Sitting upon a breathtaking panoramic hill point and offering over 15 acres of untampered land, this beautiful area is truly a rare catch. The selling price in USD is $6 million US. In JMD, the selling price is 962,223,000 JMD. In Canadian dollars, the selling price is $8,392,710. In euros, $5,151,780. And in British pounds, $4,499,040. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you here again next time on PropertyCozy.com.